Marshall Clifton is one of Western Australia's and Australia's most acclaimed architects. At 33 Leake Street in Peppermint Grove, you have a beautiful response to urban architecture. Clifton was raised in Northampton and brought a regional influence to all his buildings in Western Australia. Those that still survive have all the hallmarks: a brilliant use of light, beautiful open spaces, which is an early modernist approach. And here, in this wonderful family home in Leake Street, it's perfectly set out on 1,151 square metres of land, midway between Freshwater Bay and the village at Napoleon Street. There is a lot that your family and you will absolutely love about this superb home. We can only recommend its purchase because it's one of the finest things you'll ever acquire in your life. Come along, see 33 Leake Street in Peppermint Grove. You're going to enjoy the experience.